Omukwezi kwa katano mwaka ogu TV West kakoreko muguruso emyaka 8 no wabiri ari kuturo mu mbeera mbi munonga obwo atineho kurara ekyo kurya nebindi ogu hati ayino kwesima bwa nyuma ya Rotary Club of Muyenga Tank Hill okumwombekera enjo mu kyaro kya Kamayunge mu town council ya Mabare omu district ya Kagadi. Henry Neliko kakimanywa amazira emyaka 14 ari kurara heru kandi ari mu mbeera mbi taine bana kandi nabekaye bakamunagaho.
We believe that when you give a vulnerable family a decent place to call home, you are not simply building walls and putting up a roof. We are restoring dignity, you are giving hope, and you are telling a story that matters to families that had lost a lot of hope.
Henry kakimanywa Neliko najangwa tuye naturo mu mbeera mbi ari kuterwa enjura n'omushana kandi atine ekyo kurya kyona.
Enjura niraganitira kuba enjura yajja nitandika kulaka nimanya tukina naitati wakapyata wakolo chamani kikawa kitakuliwa kandi takulina kustation kuwa banyamutumirizi kandi bakola kwesa byone nimba sinye muno bulale
kwenda kusima Rotary Club of Muyenga Tank Hill abaikirize kutwegaitaho tupatena with us as Kapiata Foundation. It has been a great journey. Tukatandika mzenje nko kumwali Muhirora mpora twatandika nkabaka Kapiata Foundation tutaine abakutwegaitaho mpora twagenda nkarotariane nagenda na Rotary Club of Muyenga Tank Hill baikiriza kupartneringa naitwe na kilo kinu baizire hanu crowdfunding over they have been available. Tukwebaza mno abatwereze ebintu tuletere Muyenga Tank Hill twaire kilo 10 z'omucheri, kilo 10 za kahunga, kilo 10 z'ebihimba, kilo 10 za sukali na bwito na boxi 10 za sabuni.
Abatura batuye nibareba Neliko basima Rotary Club ya Muyenga Tank Hill na Kapiata Foundation abwo kwatera omutahi wabo.
Nze kaire mu mbeera mbi kandi naterwa enjura nende kudoboke kubasima abo kumwombekera enjura.
Omujo na bena yakubi ataine mufalisa ataine kibata tumamuyamba mwamulete mufalisa omusimire muno ekitongole kino kumulete mufalisa hamuna akukulya kama akarungi omucheri.
What about me Margaret Nsungu?
Rebecca Mwesigwa Ruwanga, President wa Rotary Club of Muyenga Tank Hill, na jangu bakakorangana n'abakapiata Foundation kombeka amajuga bakuzire kandi abatari kwebasa.
Oyinza okugamba lwaki twalonda Kagadi munnaffe mu Rotary waffe Marion a championinga Kapiata Foundation yaleeta propose eyo naye olwokubanga member mulungi netugamba katumusapoti era tumwebaza.
Neliko kyakumanywa twamufunira eka y'okuraramu webale munabaro basire naitwa batuhaira amabate abatuhaire seminti abatuhaire omusenyi abatuhaire buli kimu webale muno.
Ogwona hirwa mufarise shuka burangiti nebindi bikoreso byomuka amakuru agasha kwa Thomas tumwebaze.